Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the month of March and how it will move in the rest of March and the last 2 weeks of March 2024. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous fall from 5 months in the natural gas price. Okay, volatility is different. If you look at the first candle also, it made a half around 3.6403 and a low of around 2.7. Okay, that is almost a $1 movement we have seen. In the same way we have seen another candles also, and chances can be high that if the price started moving below a level of 1.72, a further downfall we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, now there are two patterns forming that you have to understand looking the weekly chart also and monthly chart also, that there is an opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, trying to create a narrow pattern in this. Okay, M pattern is. So what you have to look at this particular chart, the chances are very high that if started moving below, that means around 1.8, if it goes below, chance of touching 1.72 will be there, and then a further downfall we can see, and probability of crossing a level of 1.7 we can see. Okay, and there will be a higher chances that as soon as started going below that particular zone, a further fall we can see. Now if the price of natural gas started going above a level of $2.0628, then we will see it will come again in this particular zone and it will move. And this is the first thing where we have seen the price was moving in this same zone. So chances will be very high. It started going above a level of 2.068, then it will move in this zone. And we can see for a period of around 8-9 months, we have seen the price was moving in this zone. As soon as the breakout happened, we have seen two highs, 3.5 and 3.6. After that, there is a continuous fall. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, first if you understand and see the dollar index, how it is moving, you will see that how the trend of natural gas has moved. See, there is a continuous rise we have seen in the price of dollar index from, you can say, around 5-6 days. And if you look at a monthly wise, you will understand how the price is moving. If you look at the dollar index monthly wise, you will see that the price is trying to go upside, but for this particular month it is trying to be very volatile and forming a red candle. Okay, as soon as started moving below this particular level, and but if you look at this particular trend day wise, you will understand how the price is moving. So natural gas price has moved upside as well as downfall, because if you look at the dollar index, it is trying to go up and then it is trying to fall. Okay, so we have seen there is a good volatility in the price of dollar index, so chances can be high. As of now, if the price started going above a level of around 104.5, we will see there will be an upside in the dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of natural gas. And if it started moving below a level of $103, then chance of going towards 102.5 will be there, and then we can see there will be a rise in the price of natural gas. Okay, they are inversely related, you have to understand that, and this is one of the factors I'm saying. Now if we go and see how the natural gas price can move in the next 2 weeks of March 2024. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link are given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $1.9063. Okay, if the price keep moving above that particular level, we will see it will cross above that level and it will go towards 2.001643. If the price keep moving off that particular level, it will cross that particular level, and chances will be high it will go towards its next resistance of $2.1623. And if the price move up that particular level, then chances of crossing that low level of 2.2676 will be there. This is the next resistance of 2.1623. Once the price started going over that level, we will see it will come in the zone. So we can see the next resistance coming at a level of $2.49, and if that sustained, then we will see this particular pattern will support this trend, and chances of going towards 2.8 we can see. Suppose if the price sustain above 2.8, it will cross a level of $3, and then we will see it will go towards a level of around $3.6691. Okay, $3.6691 is already being tested, so chances are high this level will cross upside, and we will see it will touch a level of around $4.0675. This $4.0675 is already being tested, so chances are high we can see a further upside movement in the price of natural gas. in the next 2 weeks. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, so always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to be do. Okay, once you started moving, that means once you started in profit, try to take that profit home, so that risk capability will increase and you can sustain for a longer period of time. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1.7205, and if started moving below that level, a further downfall towards 1.6105 we can see. Okay, if the price keep moving below that particular level, we will see it will go further low, and yes, after that we will see a probability of going towards 1.5165 dollars, and this level is also being tested. So remember that as soon as the price started falling below a level of 1.7205, chances of crossing a level of 1.516 will be there. So it is halting in this particular range. So as soon as the dollar index is moving upside, we will see the price will fall below a level of 1.7 also, and it can cross a level of 1.5 also. Okay, now as soon as started going below this level, a sharp fall we can see towards below a level of 1.5. It can touch a level of 1.4 also, and then to a level of 1.3 also. Keep that in mind. Okay, now if you have any doubts regarding natural gas, you can mail me regarding that. I have given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go